Good morning, everyone. We're going to do calendar and we're going to do a little activity first. So let's do our rule song. Ready? Eyes on teacher, listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, you should have calm hands, and a calm body, and a calm body. Nice work. All right, so since we've been talking about, let me move my picture. Oops. So we've been talking about, how summer is coming up, right? So it's starting to feel a little warmer outside, right? Summer is on June 20th. So down here, I have different sorts of clothing, and we are going to sort the clothing. Do we wear them in the summertime, or do we wear them in the wintertime? All right, so let's go through these first. So we have boots, pants, a bathing suit, a dress, shorts, t-shirt, scarf, sweater, hat, and sandals. Do you wear sandals in the summertime or the wintertime? We wear sandals in the summer. Let's see. We're right.
That's right.
Good job. Do you wear a winter hat in the winter or the summer? You wear a hat in the winter. We're right. Sweater goes in which one? Winter or summer? Winter. Good. Scarf, winter or summer? Scarf's in the wintertime, right? It keeps your neck warm. Good. T-shirt. Do we wear a t-shirt in the summer or winter? T-shirt in the summer, right? It's hot outside. Shorts. Shorts in the summer. Good. A dress. You can wear a dress in the summertime. Bathing suit. Bathing suit in the summer, right? If you want to go swimming at a pool or the beach. Pants. You can wear pants in the winter. Good. Good. And the last one is boots. We wear boots in the winter. We did it. We sorted winter clothes and summer clothes. Great job. All right. Next, let's do our calendar. Sorry, right there. All right, so let's start with the days of the week. All right, let's do it. We start with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, yesterday was Monday. What's today? Today is Tuesday. Can you tell me Tuesday? Good, Tuesday. Awesome job. So if today's Tuesday, let's look up here. Tomorrow will be Wednesday, right? And that means yesterday was Monday. Okay. All right, let's do our months of the year. Ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Then we turn around. What month is it? The month is June. Great. The month is June. J-U-N-E. Your turn. You spelled June. Good job. Awesome work. So now we did the days of the week. That's all done. The months are all done. It's time to count. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Nice job. That was counting by ones to 16. Let's count by twos to 16. Are you ready? You can look up here because we start with 2, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. What comes next? 16, right? Let's write 16 on our board. 16 looks like this. 1 and 6. That's 16. Good job. That's counting by twos. Great work. Awesome job. Let's go to those special days again. So we filled in, well, let's fill in Tuesday. And we just did number 16. Some special days, right? Summer is a special day. Oops. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4 more days until when it turns summer. Father's Day is a special day for dads or grandpas. And that's on June 21st. Those are our special days in June. And tomorrow is the last day of school, which is a special day too. Great job. Let's go here. Let's do Weather Watcher. Ready? Weather Watcher, Weather Watcher, what do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like. Won't you please? Won't you please? All right, let's look out the window. All right. I see it's sunny at my house. What's the weather? The weather is sunny. Good. Let's go down here. Here it is. The weather today is sunny. Great. Ooh, the temperature. Sometimes I forget we do the temperature because it's new. All right, temperature today is, right now, it says it's 60 degrees. 60 degrees. So I would say 60 degrees feels pretty warm. The temperature today is warm. Great work. All right, in the season. What's the season? 4 seasons in a year. Ready? I can name all 4. Do you wanna hear? Let's get ready and say them all. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. The season is, yes, it's spring. You guys know that. Nice job. All right. So let's go back and let's do the whole date. All right, ready? Say it with me. The day of the week. Today was today is Tuesday. Good. What's the month? June. What was that number? 16th, 2020. The weather today is sunny. The temperature today is warm. It's 60 degrees. And the season is spring. Great job, you guys. Thanks for watching Calendar today. I'll see you later. Bye.